So hi guys, I am Dr. Libas Jafri from Vedanta, and today we are just going to talk on oral hypoglycemic agents, means oral hypoglycemic drugs which lower our blood glucose. So the first category is insulin secretagogues. In this category, the first medicine is sulfonylureas, and the sulfonylureas are also of two classes: the first generation and second generation. The first generation is not in use in present days, so we will discuss about the only second generation. Second generation, there are many drugs which are included as glibenclamide, gliclazide, glipizide, and glimepiride. And in insulin secretagogues, the second class is glinides or metaglinides. In this category, there are only two drugs which are called netaglinides and dapaglinides. The second category is insulin sensitizers. So, if we just talk about the insulin sensitizers, they decrease insulin resistance, and they decrease insulin resistance, and insulin is more available to our cells. So the first category is biguanides, and the first drug, there is only one drug in this category, that is metformin, and it is the first line treatment for diabetes. The second is thiazolidinediones, which are called TZD, thiazolidinediones or glitazones. And there are two drugs in this category, pioglitazone and rosiglitazone. Rosiglitazone is banned in India, so there is only one drug which is pioglitazone. Rosiglitazone is banned due to high risk of myocardial infection. So there is only remaining drug is only pioglitazone. So we just describe uh, pioglitazone as OHA. Next is inhibitors of intestinal carbohydrate metabolism, and there is only one category of this drug, that is called alpha glucose inhibitors. And the drugs in this category are acarbose, miglitol, and voglibose. Actually, what does these drugs do? They just cut down the absorption and digestion of glucose in our body.